Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So tonight I'm gonna show you what I've got. So I'm going to share you what is this ultrasonic diffuser. So I decided to buy this one because I really like the smell of a essential oil. And when I was in Hong Kong, I used this type of lampshade that has like a plate on top. And if you are going to add a mm, a water plus oil, and the smell of your room, it's really good. And it's, for me, it's like a healing, because when I feel stress and I have this smell or this aroma, and it makes me feel good. I really like the smell of a lavender. So now I got this to try since I've moved here and I don't have that kind of device. So I rather get this one. Okay, so I'm going to share and I'm going to do the unboxing. So this is a aromatherapy bundle ultrasonic diffuser plus 10 pure essential oils. So what's inside is a manual. And then I have this 10 essential oils. I'm showing this to you because I'm gonna show you how this gonna work, and it's really cool. I don't care whatever brand you'd like to buy or what you have right now, but for me, I was so curious about the shape of this diffuser. So it's a mist diffuser. So I'm going to share you how this really like giving me the refreshment. It's kind of hard to explain, but I really love it. Okay, so I got the 10 essential oils, and then there's plug inside, and here at the back there's a place for you to plug it. So this is not battery operated, just to take note. And inside there's like a minimum and maximum, so this is the place you are going to put the water, I think so. Okay, I'm going to read the manual later. And then this is the cover. It's kind of plastic inside. I really like the one I had before, but they don't have here in US, so that's really sad. Okay, and then I plug it. No, I inserted it, the outlet. So I'm going to plug it later. And let's read it. Okay, by the way, this is a manual or name of this oil that they have here. So I have the lemongrass oil, lavender, so I have that, jasmine oil, clove oil, eucalyptus oil, and then tea tree oil, spearmint, orange oil, peppermint, and nutmeg. Okay, so those are the oils that I have here right now. So I'm going to try the lavender because lavender is my favorite, so I'm going to find it. And remember, lavender is purple. So I need to find purple one. D3. I hope they have. Oh, lavender. Okay, so I'm going to plug it. Okay, I'm going to use here. So I'm going to plug right now, and then add water. It says add water. I'm going to read that. Okay, so this is a aroma diffuser. So in front there's turn off and turn on. So where's it? Oh, it's here. Okay, so here there's either light or mist. Okay, like smoke. Okay, and then I'm going to add the water. I hope I'm doing the right thing. Okay, so I'm going to put that. This is gonna be stays for 4 hours. So I put it in like a medium size. I mean medium only. Okay, and now I'm going to add oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I added 5 drops. And now I'm going to cover it. I'm going to sit down. I hope this one will not pop up. Okay, and I need to find on. Okay, so here this is the power switch, and I am going to choose either just light or mist. So I'm going to try light. Okay, so as you can see here, there's light surrounded it. Okay, and it's automatically changed the color. So right now it's purple. Before it was green, and now it's purple, and then now it's starting to turn into blue. It's turning blue now. And then we are going to wait until it's like boiling inside, and then it will create mist. Okay, so I click the mist button. So here, can you see that? There you go. So you can see the mist. Okay, so the smoke and the color, it keeps changing. I'm going to move backward my camera. Okay, and right now I can smell the aroma of the lavender. So this one, I think I've been doing this like it's already like 5 years. No, I think like I've been here in US for 2.5 years, so it's like almost 6 years. Just say it like 6 years. So I really enjoyed it ever since. So I'm so glad that I found this diffuser online, and I decided to share you how I really love it. So I hope guys you also love my video, and then and I don't know, like what's the benefits. But anyway, I really want to share you this video because I want to like share my experience, how this diffuser helps me or helped me before, and now I got a new one. So I hope guys you like my video, and if you don't like it, just thumbs down, and if you like it, just click like over there. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Enjoy using your aroma diffuser if you have, because right now I'm enjoying it. Thank you. Bye.